Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we're participating on my Christmas My Style 2018 with our host, Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. So today we will be decorating this tree. For starters, I have a couple of cans of Santa Snow because I wanted a flock tree and I couldn't find one on time, so I will be turning this green tree into a flock tree. This is the progress we achieved with our Santa Snow. As you can see, I won't be adding any Christmas lights to my tree because of my son. He cannot bear the sound of the Christmas lights. So this would be ornaments but no lights. It's a different kind of tree when you have kids in the spectrum at home. And I will show you how I get to decorate my tree so I can share that with you guys. This is the tree topper I created. I created it by adding a bow and all of my picks around and tying them up. Because over here, my tree will be kicked, pushed, hugged, moved. Everything you can imagine that can happen to a tree, it's gonna happen in this home. So that's why I start with a tree topper made with wire, everything wrapped around. And that's our base, and then I add some picks loose, but not too many because they will fall to the ground each and every day. So this is the next thing we're going to add to our beautiful tree. And now I added my wrapped topper. I'm going to add some picks all around here. For the picks, I'm using this eucalyptus stem, and I think I'm going to be using only this eucalyptus stem and putting it all over. As you can see, I added my eucalyptus stem, and now we're ready to start decorating everything else. I'm gonna show you how that progresses. As you can hear my son here, he's having fun with the tree, and that's why I just wrapped all of this stems and picks because they will fall to the floor if I leave them alone. I have added the big ornaments, an ornament garland, and a couple of stars to our tree. We're gonna start adding big ornaments first, and then we're gonna start adding smaller ornaments, big bubbles like that one and this one. And after that, we're gonna start adding smaller bubbles like the ones in the garland. I have added this beautiful owls I found at Walmart. This snowflakes, this signs, another snowflake, and more owls and more signs. And this is how it's starting to look. Let me get you a closer beautiful look. This is how it's starting to look. Obviously we need a lot more work in that, but this is just a starting point. And this is the progress we've made so far. As you can see, we have added our bigger ornaments, our smaller ornaments. I'm still missing a couple of ornaments, and then we will be done. And then after we add all of our ornaments, we will add our bubbles, and that will be it. And this is how it's looking. Let me give you a closer look of all of the ornaments we have put here. These are just the ornaments and the bigger bubbles. This is how it's looking. Now we're gonna add the smaller bubbles and the burlap ornaments with the ribbon. Yes, I usually put the ribbon, and I left the ribbon for the last because I use the ribbon to just fill the holes and gaps around the tree. And also I use the bubbles for that. I added my ribbon loops, and those are scattered around the tree. I just made loops and stapled them. Let me show you. This is what I call ribbon loops. I make them in a loop, staple them here, add a pipe cleaner for hold, And with that, I hold it to the tree, just like that, and then fluff my loops. And that's how they look. Just like that. I still have to add all of the burlap ornaments I have. I haven't added any of those. And then we will finish and you would see how it turns out. We have added all our baubles. Now we will add our burlap ornaments and our tree will be done. And this is how our beautiful Christmas tree turned out. As you can see, I didn't add any pics to my Christmas tree because of what I told you about my son. Here is our skirt that isn't anything else than a throw. And this is the final look of our Christmas tree. And my son wanted to add something special to the Christmas tree because he loves dinosaurs and he wanted a dino Christmas tree, and as I said no, he added this one to the tree. I hope you like my Christmas tree. I want to take this opportunity to thank our host for this awesome challenges, and in the description box down below you're gonna find a link for the playlist and also to our host channel. Remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye bye.